Okay, I get it. League tabling feels cruel. You're taking students who are going to do badly and then you're exposing them. Surely this is going to increase anxiety and demotivate them. Now, I've really struggled to get across to teachers that that's not what actually happens in the classroom. They just think I'm making this stuff up. But luckily in 2021, a proper study was done with maths, and brilliantly it was done with low maths achievers, kids who were not doing well, yet they were league tabled. It had a positive impact on their motivation and on their progress and on their attainment. What are the conditions that made the league table work? Well, the information about attainment was not taken in isolation. So students got to see how well they scored. They also got to see how well they scored compared to everyone else in the class. But that was only the beginning. They also saw and were rewarded for a measure of improvement over time. So they were frequently tested, and that meant they could frequently see improvements. And as you know, with the spaced learning effect, just the act of being tested again is bound to give you a higher score over time. So improvement and progress is baked in, and the league table then just celebrates that. So even a student who ended up at the bottom of the league table could still be improving week on week because the whole class was. The other innovation that was so important is to say, look, we're not just going to measure attainment, we're going to measure effort, because we know that effort over time will lead to improvement, and therefore we'll record your effort, how many questions you do, how many you attempt, even if you get them wrong. And this is an approach that's easy to adapt in your own context. Measuring effort alongside attainment is a brilliant way to show explicitly to students what the correlation is between the two, and it takes away that idea that attainment is purely because of ability.